So let's look at some problems from section 4. First one I want to look at is number 7. Some more of that at least idea. So suppose you just receive a shipment of 12 televisions, 3 are defective. If 2 televisions are randomly selected, compute the probability that both televisions work. Well, when doing this, if 3 are defective, the first time that I'm picking, it's 9 out of 12. Right, so that is the 9 out of the 12 work. Now, I need the next TV to work. So how many TVs work now? It's 8 out of 11. So based off of the first selection, my probability changes for the second. And so this should be that both work, 0.5455, rounding to 4 decimal places, 3 decimal places, should just be 545. The probability that at least one of the 2 televisions does not work. So that means 1 does not work or 2 does not work. But it's not 0 don't work. Well, this is 0 not working, or 0 not working means that they both work. So at least one of the 2 televisions. So that means 1 or 2 of the televisions does not work. Not 0 does not work. This is 0 does not work, because it means both of them are working. So I would just do 1 minus our previous answer. So those at least, again, most of the time you're doing 1 minus the probability of 0. So you really just have to talk it out. Next question I want to look at was number 10. And so the probability is that both bulbs are red. Well, if I have 31 tulips and 11 are red, I would have 11 out of 31, 11 out of 31, and the probability that the next one would red would be 10 out of 30. So again, both red, but my probabilities changed based off of that first draw. So 0.118 to 3 decimal places. The first is red and the second is yellow. So first is red, again, is this 11 out of 31, and that the next one's yellow. Well, there's 10 yellow ones, so that'd be 10 out of, now I only have 30 tulip bulbs to pick from. So it looks like it's the same for my numbers. Yellow than red, well, there's 10 yellow starting off out of 31, and then there are 11 that are red, but again I only have 30 bulbs left to pick from. So I have 0.118 again. The answer is not always 0.118, just to clarify that. Now, if I'm just saying that one bulb is red and one is yellow, I don't care the order. So this one said red then yellow, this one said yellow then red. So I could have this one or this one. And again, I just said or. So that means I would add these two together, or do a 0.118 times 2. I'm going to get 0.236. So hopefully that pushes you along in this section 4.